Hi guys! Really random vlog today. I'm actually going to meet Paula. We are going for a movie premiere. This horror movie called Abigail. So I'm very excited because I actually got Paula some gifts. I actually haven't watched the trailer yet. I heard it's kind of scary. I'm gonna be bringing you guys together with me. I'm very nervous to vlog in public. Yay! It's so cute. Okay. Open your gift.
Oh, you bought it?
What do you mean? Oh, I bought it. I bought this yes. I saw this, I was like, I have to get it for you because it's so cute. Okay, the rest is like all the cute stuff. Oh, this is kombucha. Thank you. No problem. It's so cute. Paula got me a gift. It's Haku. So cute. And Bubu sword.
So her signature pose is yeah, because ballerina ma. Yeah. Okay. So it's a dress, yeah, correct.
You look like a bird.
We got our tickets. We're gonna go. Wait, there's no popcorn. They didn't give us popcorn set. It's okay. We don't need. Do you want popcorn?
I'm really full.
Yeah, same. Like
I can no.
it's okay. So no popcorn, guys.
Oh, but younger, right?
Yeah. It's like the dragon person.
Dragon.
Like they tell. The movie just ended, and I cannot give it a proper rating. I don't know what to rate it because it's like me and Paula are confused. We both laughed a lot, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, that's all for today. I'm home now and I'm gonna wash up and play some games and head to bed. So I will see you guys again soon. Bye!